In this video, I'm going to show you a new Instagram feature that lets you draw directly in your DMs. It's a really cool update, but keep in mind that it's still being rolled out, so it may not be available for everyone just yet. To check if you have access to this feature, start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Next, swipe to the side to open your direct messages DMs. Now, open any chat where you'd like to try this feature. At the bottom of the chat screen, you'll see a plus button. Tap on that button and a list of options will appear. Look through these options and see if there is a draw button available. You may also see options like location or AI images. If you see the draw option, simply tap on it. This will allow you to start drawing in your message. Your drawing will remain visible in the chat until it is removed or the message is cleared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.